even all the way back here in the back lot. The lot got so full, this man parked in the next neighborhood.
How's it going? Good. Yeah, it's actually a dedicated half-mile race car. So it's really tall gears.
Here I am, thinking they only made the Pantera, and they made a 4-door car. How cool is that? Call me crazy. You know this has, how much? 700 horsepower? But I think I'd still rather have this. Rarely see these in good condition. BMW 320i. Wow. What does this say? I don't even know. Oh, it's an AC. Check that out. That's pretty special. So much diversity. So how much is it? That's a good question. $235,000. Let's go check out this DB11. Yeah, your V12 twin turbo. Look at this interior setup. Wow, look at this. It's just a straight traffic jam. So this is what you traded your SS in for, right?
Absolutely, I like it.
I guess you just have to guess how fast you're going?
Well,
Yeah. The car show is so crowded. Even 4 GTs got to park off to the side.
Well, you have to find 2 spots that
Check this thing out. 4-wheel drive. Right-hand drive.
ADM import. It's a Mitsubishi.
Got enough seats. I'm gonna huddle around this for warmth. Got the classic camper. All by itself. The Superleggera sits. I don't know what looks better right now. This or this. This thing's pretty cool. It's actually a Defender fire truck. We got Sebastian's Eldorado while his Jeep is at the shop. I actually haven't seen this thing. It's pretty tempting. Let's go check out this 300 turbo diesel. Interesting setup. You know, why not? Gotta love that smell. Better late than never. Alright, you guys want to see something really special? Check this out. The road stay top. Blue seats. Crazy looking car.